Welcome viewers to SoftEdemy, a project control and engineering software academy and consultancy. You are listening Muhammad Faisal Mukhtar, and today's our content is based on planning interview and assignment number 3. You can contact us through our WhatsApp number that have been given like this one. You can click this one and you can just type here and you have to just WhatsApp web, log in that one, and you can contact us through that one. Also, we have other contact us option, like you can email us, and here we have everything available. You can visit our website for everything, and any question you can contact us through any channel like email, like WhatsApp. These are our both main channels. And our today's content, maybe it's a huge content, it may be it's a lengthy content, and if you are just not understanding my content, so you can just slow out the video from the videos icon. So we'll go to continue this website, this our today's content, and I will open our today's assignment. Here is my assignment. So what I have to do, this one is a planning engineer's interview question, and in this interview question there are the target questions are maximum 12, and this guy have to achieve this work have to be done in 3 hours, and we will just try to do that work in just limited time also. So first of all, we have to just create a baseline, and in that baseline we are allowed only 2 open-ended activities, and also our calendar criteria should be 6 days work week, 8 hours per day, and Friday is as a non-working day, and Saturday start week, and NTP see attached sheet. So there is attached sheet in the bottom, that is we can say it's a BOQ, and we will just go it on later that one. So create a WBS level 3 and activities based on the attached BOQ that have been attached in the below, and we have to include procurement, testing, commissioning for all long lead items. So there are some long lead items, like you can see here, long lead items that have been given in the red line and red description, that are 6 items, and we have to just assign like procurement, installation and testing and commissioning 30% for procurement, 50% for installation, testing, commissioning have 20%. So the third task we have to perform, establish duration with your assumption of productivity rate and labor and equipment resource. So we have to just create you can say they are saying that just fill out that productivity rates here. So we'll go through that one, capacity rate per day. So we'll just go through that one, how many numbers for that one, quantity required for that one, we have to fill out that one. So we'll go through that one, but I will create a separate sheet, but I will not utilize this one. I will create something else. We can submit that one something else, because I do not like that one. And now we'll go to our next task, and the fourth task is load or assign resource to each activities listed below, that I have already shown you. Material resource with a unit cost as per BOQ, allocate 20% of cost to testing, commissioning, ME work for long lead item, that have been already discussed above. Resource can be assigned to one or more activities provided the total quantity shall be equal to the pay item BOQ. So we have to just create some material resource, so that material resource will be content of that activities that have been given in description. So we'll not go in the hustle that these are concrete item, these are steel item, these are like this will not go for that one. I will just go for BOQ items, and I will just import that that as a quantities. So we'll import a cost as a separate material resource, so we can show that one cost separately, so that can be maintained in future also. Resource ID should be named as follow. It have been given some description, so it will be like this one is contract number have been given this, and what is the pay item. So pay item, like this one is easy, so this one is pay item, you can say pay item number. So you can see here, so this guy is saying that write like that one, so you have exactly pay item number. So this guy want to add a material resource like that one. So the next one is reporting proficiency. 35% aggregate of this test is reporting proficiency. In reporting proficiency, we have to assign that baseline as a primary baseline. So this guy will get 3 aggregates. So it's a very difficult task to perform that one. And generate early and late planned weekly cost with both reflected in S curve, show in Excel graph and data. So we'll go for that one, weekly based S curve for early and late remaining cost. And the next one we have to go for planned monthly manpower. So also we'll create for monthly power planned monthly power histogram. And the next one we have to create a commodity for the activities, the 8th task. And the 9th task we have to filter for critical activities that have a 2 aggregate and create a PDF. So also there is a PDF we have to create, and there are 3 questions we'll discuss later on. So before wasting a lot of time, we'll go to our assignment, and to continue that assignment I have to just create that one to Excel, because Excel I can use that one easily. So I will also recommend you guys, so because play with Excel more while you are using Primavera P6, because it's very easy and it's very more convenient. So we'll just go here, and first of all I have just exported the file and converted that file into you can say into Excel. I will just delete the unnecessary columns which may make problem for me, and I will just go here. I will just take some little time. Do not skip the video if there are important discussion while just doing these tasks, so you will miss that one. And I will go here, delete this one which are not necessary, and here is it necessary? It's not necessary, and delete. So I have some necessary columns here. I will just go here and copy that one. Where is the pay item? I think I have deleted that one. So we'll go here, Control Z. So maybe, I hope I haven't deleted that one. Okay, so this one. So before delete this one, and now E. Okay, so I hope this will not be deleted. And now this both will delete this one, delete this one, delete this one. These columns may, while copying into other sheets, so it will be difficult for formula, because okay, so we have this sheet, complete sheet. Now we can just create new sheet here, an Excel sheet, and I will just get all the data there. So we'll copy the data. So first of all, pay item and description, go here, pay item description, will copy this one all and paste into my new Excel sheet. Okay, so we have this one, and now I want to just create something like bookman old style. So this font is better, bookman old style. Okay, so this one we have the sheet. And now first of all, when you are creating a sheet, so just define your columns, which columns you need. And here I have to create 3 WBS. First of all, I will write the 3 WBS here. WBS level 1, WBS level 1, level 2, level 3. So we have level 3, and now we have to just make sure that the prices are okay. We'll go here, next, numbers, prices, and now I will just go and select all, and then convert to numbers. Here I will apply the formula is equal to that this quantity have been multiplied with the rate, and then I will drag down and copy that formula and paste until the end of the project. Okay, so we have this cost, so we'll convert that one into numbers, and we have a decimal value. We'll just go here and remove that decimal also. So we have this value now, and there also these are numbers. Just convert that one. Every column should have specific, like if they are in numbers, they should be in numbers. If they are in text, they should be in text. So just improve something. So every it's like that one. We have this one units, so we'll just make sure the units are aligned. We will create WBS first of all. As it's written, we need level 3 WBS, and you understand what are the levels. I hope you understand. So if you are not understand, you will understand this video. And now we'll go here, format this one, and first of all we have to create milestones. So the first one we will create milestone, and milestone will go here. And what are the milestones? So there are contractual milestone which we have discussed from notice to proceed, and here you can see here in this form there are contractual milestone. This have been written in the below. We'll just add these milestones, and here we'll go here, and I will add here milestones now. Okay. Instead of adding this one, I will just, you know what, I will use it in another sheet. So it will be easy for me to copy from other sheet. Okay, contractual milestone, we'll add here 5-6 milestone here, and that will be like notice to proceed, complete substructure work, and complete superstructure work, architecture work, mechanical work, electrical work, testing commissioning work for the initial acceptance, and complete demobilization. So it's like written it here, complete substructure work within 24 weeks. So I will just change that one because I want my substructure to be earlier. So I will just write there that this one because their superstructure and substructure have only 12 weeks difference. So I do not want this one huge difference. Because I want to complete my substructure before, and I want to be relaxed, and then I will just complete that one. So I will consider that one 11. So I will also write and inform that one. This one I considered 11. So it's not matter because if you have an explanation in planning, and you can just drop that one. So we'll go here in the remarks, and in remarks I can write here what the condition we required here, and here in the remarks I have written that notice to proceed. And you can see here notice to proceed, this one notice to proceed. And now what is the notice to proceed? Notice to proceed is you can say here 12, it's 9 of December, like what are the 9 of December 2021. So it's like that one. And now we can calculate what are the milestone dates. Like we can write here, it's like manpower here above, but I will just use that one. 9 of, you can say 9 of December 2021 is my NTP. NTP is notice to proceed. So this one is notice to proceed, and I will add here 11 weeks. So these are, a week have 7 days. And because whenever a client say to you that these are weeks, these are days, it's considered as a calendar days. It's not a working days. It's not like that one. This debate is a separate. We'll discuss in that one in contracts and claims. It's a separate debate. So we'll not go for that one. So we'll stick to our topic because this is an interview content, and the people who are just going for interview will be not asked like this questions. So what I have told you is specific. So go to what I have told you specific, but also do your research on only also. So you can contact us through WhatsApp number if you have questions. So this one will just go for multiply by this one, not multiply by. I'd add this one weeks into multiply by days. So we have some new dates for that one. So these dates are where, like this one I write here. So these are dates, milestone dates. Okay, so we have written that one. These are NTP. Okay, these are weeks. These are days. So also whenever you write something, please also mention, because sometimes you also forget what you have just done above. because the planner have something, a calculation in his mind. So before that one, so you should have to know. So also there are on the project, there are not only contractual milestone, there are other type of milestone like current control milestone. People are not understanding that type of milestones, but they just consider that one is a intermediate milestone. They can say that performance milestone. So they have different names, but there are some specific names and some specific concept. So you should know about that one. I will go for the next one. So that one is our main WBS level, that is called general. And in that general, what we do, we'll do mobilization and demobilization. That one WBS only have two activities, and I will not go for a huge hustle for that one. I will just write here mobilization and demobilization. I will just write two activities only. I will not go for WBS level 2. If you want, so you can add here WBS level like mobilization of equipment, mobilization of this, blah blah blah. Also you can write that one. So also before doing that one, also make a calculation that what have you done. This one, what is the total? Like my total is 566, like 500,000, 566,650. It's in Saudi riyals. You can also say in dollars. And when we will go here 556,650. The cost is different. Why it's different? Because this $10,000 haven't been added here. Because if we remove $10,000 from here, and this mobilization and demobilization cost haven't been included in this project, so our cost matches here. You can see here 556. So I will consider complete cost of the project 566,650. So we will not consider that cost which have been mentioned. So we can also represent our work efficiency and work accuracy. So we'll go for the next one. We have mobilization cost. We'll also paste that one, the column we have needed the amounts. So we have just here from unit this one, and this one we have units, quantity, unit price, amount, remarks, and like we have you can here add one or two more columns. We can add here like weight and cost. Here this one can be weightage and this can be cost. So we'll just go here, paste this one. Okay, so no, we have just missed something. Like, so we'll add here amount like this one, and now we have this one. We will get this one from here. We'll copy from like you can see here, copy from like this one, and now copy this one, and you can see here we can paste here like this one. So we'll copy for all items like this one. So later on we will format this one. What is our next WBS level 1? And our next WBS, as we have discussed in our today's content, that is procurement. And in procurement, what we need, I will tell you later on about the procurement, and we'll discuss on this one later on. So we'll go in the next one. So it's like one, we'll go 38, and we'll just go for construction and installation. Our other WBS, which is construction and installation. So the construction is the work where we have like concrete work, earthwork. Installation is like when you install some equipment, it's like an installation. So we have construction and installation work, and in construction and installation work we have substructure work, and in substructure work, and we'll see here substructure work what we have. I have just missed that. I did that procurement for these long lead items. That's one. Do not be confused why I have added this one. Construction and installation, I have added substructure work, and in substructure work I will add here another WBS level 3. You can see here. I will just go here and just freeze the pan, and so you can see here view and freeze the pan in the top. So you can see here what I am adding. So we'll go for WBS level 3, and I will add here earthwork in building. And now I will add all the quantities which I have required. You can see here which I have required from here. I will just copy. You can see I have just copied this one and paste there. And what other work we'll do concrete with concrete work in substructure, and that concrete work you can see here like this one concrete work, this one all, and we'll copy this one and paste. So this is it. Now we'll go for the next one, and the next one is similar. superstructure work, but superstructure is our WBS level 2, and superstructure work will go for the next one is concrete work in superstructure. We'll also copy from that same location, like this one. You can see here same location. Masonry work which have been given in the sheet. Okay, so masonry work, it have been given the sheet. Masonry work, the similar will go for every items. Copy paste. And the next one is, we'll consider that one as an architectural work, and architectural work will just say first of all finishes, and in finishes we have like plastering work, tile work, gypsum board work, and painting work. So our two items are lead items here. The next one work is our mechanical, HVAC and plumbing works, and in that work we have HVAC work separately. That one will be in WBS level 2, and HVAC work will be like at level 3. And we have two activities, this one, and now the next one we have plumbing work is remaining. We'll copy that one, paste this one. So we'll go for the next one, we'll paste this one. We are just creating activities and WBS from here. So we have an easy approach to do that one. We'll go here, copy this one, paste with this one. The next one, you can see here we have completed electrical system, the complete work, and the testing commissioning as it have been written. So we'll go for that one, testing commissioning WBS level 1. And the next one, testing and commissioning. And for testing commissioning, you can see here testing commissioning, and the next one we have acceptance. Okay, we have acceptance like 4, 5, 6 activities here, and we have just for that one we have this one long lead item, like this one, 2 activity, this one, 3, 4, 5, 6 will copy and paste there. So with quantities also will paste here below. I will tell you why I am just copying quantities also. And this one, and what is in acceptance, we have initial acceptance and we have final acceptance. We have just left here procurement, and in procurement we have I have shown you in this one what are the 3 steps in procurement. We'll go here, we'll see procurement have submission approval of an item which you have to procure, and then purchase order and lead time. Lead time is a time which have been like equal to 5 to 6 months, 4 to 6 months, and the next one 5% for lead time, and delivery 25%, like installation 50% for that activity, and testing and commissioning for 20%. So lead items have been given, that have been colored, so we'll copy that one. So we'll just convert that one into like submission, and a submission is a separate, and it's level 2, and I will just copy all the items which are long lead items here. And the next one I will copy for the here approval have similar activities, this one similar activities. I will copy everything, so I will also tell you how to apply the weights to them, and later on we'll go for this one and I'll copy this one similar, and now for this one we'll paste this one. And what is the remaining, our lead time have been done, we'll go for the delivery also. So just go here, add here some more columns, more rows. Okay, here, add here. And now what is the delivery, the last one, copy this one and now paste here. So we have this one. So all activity have been added here. We'll go here, format this section. We have pay item number. We haven't copied this one. This is a completely a big mess. Just go here and just go here, write the pay number. Like this one, mobilization. The mobilization is on top. This one is mobilization 2, 1, 2, and the next one is it's like that one. So every item which have a general, these are G, and every item which have procurement, these are P. Okay, so it's like that one. Every item which are construction, these are C. So it's like that one. Every item which are testing communication, these are T. These are M. I'm just writing this one for activity codes. So it will be specific for me to have this type of codes. This will be unique later on. So ceramic, we have what is the code for ceramic? We'll just type the same, which we have ceramic code here. Ceramic pay item number is 42, it's 42. And the next one we have gypsum, 43, PACU, that is a AC unit, and 60 plumbing and fixtures, 65, 74 and 75. So we have the same numbers. Copy this one, we'll paste here, paste here, paste here. So these are, you can see here codes like level 1 code. Level 1 code. Also you can type here level 2 code also if you want. Okay, just add here level 2 code. It's your choice. You can add this one here. It's your choice. SAPD, it's your choice. SA also you can write here, but you can leave also because it will be get unique also at this stage. P, if you write here P042 P-043, so it will be also unique. But if you want for submission also, it's your choice. But it's professional. Like I was not going to tell this one because if you are just going for interview, you will not do this type of stuff. Okay, so it will be time wasting to do that one. D for delivery. And S for substructure. U for superstructure. A for architectural. You can also provide this one detail to your consultant that what are your activity codes. Activity ID numbering sequences, not activity code. Activity codes are different. Okay, this one testing commissioning is T. Okay, so this one is T and A. This one T and A. Okay, so we have like this one. Now we can create, you can see here activity IDs from here. Activity ID. So how will be your activity ID? You can write here like this should be a number, should be a different, like we have 75 numbers here. You can write here 76, 77. It's like that one. Let's check we haven't used that numbers. What did this type of activities? Also copy this one and paste this one here. This one will be same. Okay, we'll use 101. This will be unique, and we'll paste this one here. We have this one number, and the next one where we haven't number, like we have two activities more, while mobilization and demobilization. They have 1 and 2. Okay, so go here 102. Do we have okay, we have 10 number missing. We can write from 3 4. You know, we have this one numbers. Okay, 10. So we don't have 14 and 15. We can use that one numbers. 14 and 15 we don't have. So we have specific numbers. We can create ID. Like our ID will be level 1, level 2, and then the number is equal to concatenate and this one level 2. We don't have level 2, and now concatenate, and then we have comma dash comma like this one. Okay, so we have like this. Okay, missing. M-3, this one. So we have M10 here. Similar for G1, G2, and this one, for this one we have to add here one more comma here, and here we have this one, now comma, okay. So we have P-S-42. So this code will be like this one. We'll paste this one. We have new activity codes here. So we'll go for this type of codes. We don't have this one. Okay. For each activity, go for that one. Okay. Which have similar level 2 coding. Okay, we don't have this one. We'll delete this one. We don't need this one. If you don't delete, it also not matters. So this one we have an activity codes. This one we have WBS level. We have description is an activity name. Now what we have to add else, here we can add here our pay item codes, like what was our requirement. This one our requirement was like contract number 7T88. Here we can write here contract number. We'll hide this one 3. Okay, hide this one. Also hide this one. Contract number is this one, T-88, T-888, and copy and paste this one. Paste. Now add here what the code they require, -ZZ. Okay, contract code -ZZ. Okay, these are material resource code. Okay, so these are material resource code, and now we have to add here is equal to this one, concatenate this one. Now and this one pay item number. Now we have T-888 and this one. So only for the item which have to be paid, we will write that one. Okay, so this item will be not paid. This item will be not paid. Okay, paste this one also here. Paste the formula, and now copy this one, paste here this one also. Here you can see I have got some material resource code, and now for the weights we will go here, add weight in front of quantities. Weight here. So why we required weight? Because there are weight distributions like this one is 100% and percent here 0. Okay, so percent here it means 100%. And now add for the approval. Where was approval? Unhide, remove this coding, hide this one, and also hide this one. Now level 3 should be okay. So this one is submission is 0%. We can go here, 0 submission, 0 approval. Go here, 0 submission, 0 approval. Now that one will go for the other weightages, 0 0 this one, and this one is 5%. I think so, 5%. 5% for lead time. Okay, 5%. And now 5% this one, and the next one is delivery is 25%. Now every other like we have everything is 100%. Copy this one, paste to everywhere which required 100%. Wherever it's required. Okay, do not miss any of the row. Now what about this colored line? We required here 50%, 50% here, 50%, 50% here, and the next one we required here 50%, 50%, 50%. The last one we require here 20%. This one 20%. So these weights are for the not for the quantities. These weights are for the cost, because while you are just paying for the cost, so you have to put like that one. So we'll just remove our material code from that one, because later on maybe we get into trouble and we may apply these codes there. We'll just delete that one. These codes are not required here. Now what we'll do, just hide this one all, and now we'll go here, apply the cost formula is equal to, we just need here some formatting here, and we'll just go here is equal to and apply one number, and now weight, now in price, unit price, we can get here our cost here, go here bottom, so verify your total also 566. Also we'll apply the formula, and now our this formula and this cost have been verified from here, 566 6650. So we have total cost the similar. So just color this one column as a separate one, so you can just memorize this one, that this one you have done already. This one convert that one into numbers, and okay, so just light color. Okay, so the next one, what we have to perform, the next one we have to just go for the, after the remarks there are here we have some resources required here. Just copy these resources all the resources here, paste there. And now go in the data. I want to remove the duplicates from here. Remove duplicates. I have these, we have these all type of resources required for that one. I'll copy this one and just paste this one here. Go here, paste special, go for value and transpose here. And now we have these all resources. So I have just finalized some productivity, so you can put here. I will not go to huge hustle of adding productivity because I have already have a video on that one, productivity. So you can create that productivity. So we'll add here some similar columns, so that will be similar for that one. So we'll add here what type of work we have, and you can see here which we copy activities from there. This one our activities work, and this one their unit, and this one their quantity, and their unit work, productivity work. Okay, productivity work. Okay, so this one we don't require. This one quantity, and this one quantity is from our project's quantity, and this is our rate. What type of the rate is this one work? The rate is quantity per hour. Okay, so it's one we unit hour, like we have 0.12. If we have 0.12, it means we have if we have like 0.12, it means that 0.12 cubic meter per hour. The quantities are like that one. So we'll divide with our current quantity, so we'll get that one. So also we'll just calculate our duration from it. So these are our complete. You can see here, you can calculate. I have given the description in the description of video, productivity rates complete video. You can follow that video also. We'll go for the numbers and this one. So this one are all my productivity. For example, this carpenter required per cubic meter quantity per hour. So 0.12 carpenter I required for 1 cubic meter excavation. I do not require. So maybe there are some some formula issue. Okay, this is not for the carpenter. I have just copied wrong data. So just remactify. So always just while copying your data, just cross check data. So this one 0.1 to helper and labor, carpenter no required, painter just go here and cross check here what is a painter or not. So is go here and paste this one. So it's skilled labor, not carpenter. You can see here. This one backhoe loader dump truck. Why we required here? Let's just zoom out and let's color this one section to something. And now let's check this one. So backhoe loader and dump truck and concrete mixture we required because it's have been written in the bottom of this video. You can see equipment required backhoe loader, dump truck and concrete mixture. So I have already added their productivity also here. And now go here and in accounting numbers and also add this one. So this one 0.04 for 1 cubic meter. So already productivity have been written. So this productivity rate unit is like quantity per hour. So this one put this productivity rate. So you can mention here this, and you can attach this sheet also. Okay. So this one we have done already. So this one is productivity rates. Productivity rate. Now we'll just calculate our man hours. This one is our main working sheet. Okay, working sheet, and now this one sheet is data source, and working sheet will just go here for the structural items. In the working sheet, we'll just copy all the, productivities will add here. So that one we also add here some, peak available crew. Also this one, also we'll add here this one. So we'll apply here formula to get that one, and just first of all we'll hide this one up to quantities. So we'll hide this one. So we have something clearance here. So we have activity name, this one, and activity name should have similar, text. So it should be similar text. Okay, it's written similar text. And now we'll just go for VLOOKUP. VLOOKUP is majorly used. We'll start from carpenter. We'll apply something, a formula is equal to VLOOKUP, where we have to find out this one. We have to find out the similar in productivity rates. And here we have productivity rates, and this one is 6 number. We'll go here up to 6 to 19. And now we have up to 19. And this one we have quantity productivity rate. And we have to divide this productivity rate. Which one we have to divide? This one is productivity rate. We need column number 6 first of all. And if that one is not 6, then it's false. We have no carpenter, but we have labor here. But we change from here A, B, 7. And also we have this one is 7, not 8. This one is J. Okay, so this one is J. We'll add here $sign, so it will be not slipped out. This one location is also fixed. 6 is also fixed. Copy paste this one to 7 number. 0.12. So now this one is the productivity rate, not our hours. So what will apply for the hours? And to apply for the hours, we have already available. What we have available? We have available hour per quantity, like this one, hour per quantity. This is not quantity per hour. This is hour per quantity. Hour per quantity. This is because hour per quantity will be multiplied. It will be not divided. Hour per quantity, because I will explain you. Hour per quantity means that 0.12 hour will be taken for 1 cubic meter. Before, if it is quantity per hour, it means 0.12 cubic meter will take for 1 hour. So in there, hour is not fixed, but quantity is 1 cubic meter is fixed. 1 cubic meter is fixed here. It means like that one. 1 cubic. 1 meter cube. Cubic. Or you can say here cubic meter. Okay, it's like that one. We'll go for working, we'll multiply with our quantity. We have multiplied with quantity, and now also we'll multiply with, because that one is cubic meter, not per hour, it's per day. It's like per day, it's not hour. There is too much things you have to understand. We'll multiply by this one, and now we'll multiply by 8. And the next one, if this value not matches, okay. And now we'll apply also if error formula here. If value not matches, write 0 and just close. Okay, copy paste this one. we'll go for 7.96 is equal to 0.12 into 300 into 8. What should be the answer? 288. So we are not getting that answer. Why we are not getting that answer? A to S, cell number 7 have been taken from productivity rate sheet, and now we're multiplying with L8. Okay, 288. So also we'll freeze that and L48. So we get answer 288, and now we'll copy and paste to the end, and just will change here 8, 9 up to 19. We have added just you can see here we have added all the formula. You can see here we have added this formula, pasted here. We'll just go here, drag down all the formula up to the end where we have required this formula, and now we'll just go here, drag all the formula similarly. Now move the 0. So these are our total man hours. So also we required here, we'll just calculate our duration from here. So how will just estimated our duration, estimated, we can see here estimated duration from our peak, peak available man hours, this one peak man hours. So we'll just guess out like what we have peak availability. So what we have peak availability like is equal to the maximum from max this one. What is the maximum? Will just divide with the 8 because it's in days, and now we'll divide this one peak because peak availability is, you can say here, the crew, maximum crew. Okay, so it will be Devine error. I will write here 1. Okay, 36 if we have this one. So we'll just go here down. So for all activities, and if we require like 2, 4, 3, it's like that one. You understood now? We will add something like this one. So this one we have our peak availability. So we'll type here this one peak availability and write here. So on the peak availability, we will get here our durations here. This one is our estimated durations. So we can add here duration from this one. So this one is our estimated duration. This one, this section is our resources. We can just, you can also hide this one all and just remove this one section. So we have a clarity. This one section is our remarks and hide this one. This is our total cost. This one is also lead remarks, and this one weight, quantities, unit, activity name, and now also we have WBS. Everything we have available. I think so we can go ahead. Before going ahead, I think so we can just write activity codes for the resource code for that one. Pay special, value, transpose, this one, pay special, format, transpose. So this one is our all resource codes, and this one is our labor resource. We can write here A1, or we can write here F1, and up to we have F14. So these are our resource IDs, and this one is a resource name. So why I have just created all this data, why we have just created this one is a resource dictionary. Why we have created all this data, why we created this mess? Because I want to just do that one very faster. So this one we have created complete sheet and productivity rate. This one is productivity rate, and I just need this one. Hide this one. I do not need that now. Working sheet. So this one we have available working sheet. This one carpenter average sources available. We have a tool. This is a separate tool you can buy. Also this supporting file you can just get from the store also. And we have a tool here which is our Excel P6 Excel Lite. And for that tool I can just easily create my WBS. Okay, so before creating WBS, I will just go here in the projects. I will first of all create a calendar for myself. And calendar, I will just go here in calendar. I will create a modify or add a new calendar, and that calendar will be like 6 into 10. If I add 6 into 10, and now for 6 into 10, you can say 6 into 8. 6 into 8 because 6 into 8 we need, and we can see as assignment 803, and we'll just consider the default. Okay, so A3 consider default. Modify that calendar, and for the calendar like this one we need work week as a 8 days. Okay, so this is 8 days. This is only the restriction work week. The time is there is no restriction when we have to start and when we have to finish. And close this one. Also there is a restriction about the week start. The week start is Saturday. It's written here, and the week start should be Saturday. Okay, let's also cross verify. There is a condition for the week start also top. Okay, so there is a condition for the week start as Saturday as start week. Friday is non-working day. So Friday is non-working day as I have done. Now we'll add here project, and we'll write here any assignment as a, you can consider as a EPS. And now we'll add here project ID. You can go here, project ID, you can write here T-88 888, and now AMT -AMT. And now project name is you can say here project name is contractors planning scheduling test. Okay, so you can write here this one. Okay, this is your choice. Okay, this one. Okay, what is the plan start date? Our NTP, this have been written. NTP have been written. Where is NTP? NTP here it's written on hide. We have created like 9 of December 2023, like here 9 of December 2023, 9 of December. No, 2023 is not, it's 2021, I think so. 2021, 9 of December 2021, must finish by should be 22 of December 2022, 22 of December, and select next, finish this one. Also we'll go here in the dates, and our data date will be of 9 of December. Go here, 9 of December data date will be our, and now our calendar setting, we'll go here for defaults. Calendar have been set here. Just go here, open by project. When I open my project, here are WBS, and you can create a WBS from here. It's easy to create WBS from here, and I will also create WBS from my Excel tool. You can just add here WBS like this one. You can add here WBS. It's easy also from here, this side also. And this have been finished now. What I have to do in Primavera P6 have been finished. Now we'll just go here in my Excel Lite tool. First we have to create WBS. We'll click on create WBS, and we'll unhide this one section, unhide this one, and now I will just go here, copy WBS level 1, 2, 3. Okay, Okay, copy this one all, and I will paste here in the levels. Okay, so this one is level 1. Okay, we'll write here, we'll paste here, and now we'll write here for level 1 as a project. Okay, name, what is the project name? And we'll just write here this one, maybe it will work. Copy, and we'll, okay, and now we'll just remove empty rows from below. I will just copy paste here all the levels here, and now I will just go here in the resource dictionary. I will add here also the dictionary, and in my dictionary I have just shown you, like I have worked here what are my dictionary. I will just select all this one and add here filter, and in the filter I will go here empty this one, blanks, and also remove these blanks, and we have all the material resource here. Copy, and this one will paste here. This one is our project, what we say, assignment 03. Okay, we'll add here it's AS-03 003 as a code, and now also add here as a material. Okay, now we'll add here its coding, its IDs. We'll go here and add here coding, copy this one and paste here. What's the next one we need here? About resource dictionary, and these are our resource dictionary, and these are our names and their IDs. We need resource ID. This one I am adding resource dictionary, so you can also add from here like this one, resources. You can add from resource here like this one. You can add here resource, and everything you can type here typically. And this one is our labor, and now, and this one is our non-labor. You can write here equipment, and these are equipment. Now we have finished our all the resource dictionary and our WBS here. Now we'll export that file and export that file into folder name TY, and we'll write extension as AS03. Okay, when we press OK, the file has been exported. Now we'll go here in the activities and import, and next we'll import XZR. Next project, we'll go in the desktop. In the next one, TYIS03, open. Next, create a new project. We'll update this one existing. Update existing. Import to this project which have been selected. Next, yes, finish, OK. So when we'll press yes, close, we can see here WBS. Let's see here WBS have been added or not. Okay, what have been added? Is it resources added or not? Let's see here. Okay. AS03. Okay, we have to find out AS03. Okay. AS03 have been added now. So all backhoe loader have been added. What we have to do, just we have to just go here, WBS select, and now export this one. Okay, it's saying that we cannot export yellow rows. Okay. I think so we have done a mistake. And now we write here project, and what is the project name here. There are issues with the WBS. Paste this one, and now we'll go here, export the file. Why? Okay, understood now. There is level issue. So this one we have set, these are level 3, these are level 2, and these are level 1. Also we'll cross check from here also. There are something missing. I think so, there is something missing. We will just go again here, and first we have to remove these blanks. Now we'll just select this one all, and now we'll paste here this one all here, like this one. Everywhere which there is written something, and we'll just go here, remove that one. You can add that one manually also. We'll paste here, go here in desktop TY, and we'll name here COSG. Okay, so we'll go here, import file, that one, XZR, next project, and COG, open. Next we'll go here, update this one, add into the existing, or add into existing. Okay, so we'll update here, update existing. Next. Okay, so we'll paste here, next, and yes, finish. And that one, the doubt I have, this one doubt I have already. So remove this one. Okay, and general as a second, procurement, and construction, and testing commissioning. Now remove this one from this level, and the top we need as a milestone, and the second one we need as a general items, and the third one we need as a procurement. Then we need construction, then we need this one. Go here, apply. Okay, so also we'll go here, right here, M, and now also we'll go here, right, G, also P, also C and T. What we had, C and T, what we have already decided. Now also we'll write here like this one, 1. There we have also this coding like C, and this one is S, A, P, D. Where is D? Okay, delivery is below this one. Okay. Okay, so you can move this one. Okay, so superstructure is S, A, M, E, S. So substructure is just below, just go to the top. So we have, I think so, everything we have done. This one S, not S, you can say W. Also we can say here E. No. Okay, so we'll go here like this one. Okay, just leave it everything like this one. Similar, copy this one WBS. I have to create WBS code right now. So this one sheet you can get from this one site. So it have been given on the site. It's only been given on the site. This one is Excel Lite tool. Here it have been given. So I do not need to save this one. I will just go here in Primavera P6 and copy my WBS codes from here. Copy this one. I will paste here my WBS code here. Now my WBS code have been just copy here. This one I my WBS code. I will just find out spaces and I will remove all the spaces. 2 spaces, and these are WBS code. We'll copy this one WBS code from here. We'll paste from here to there, and working week, working sheet. Now I will add here WBS code here, WBS name here, specifically I read right now here all my contractual milestone WBS. Now I need here all my submission. Now I need here my all submissions here. Approvals, I need all my approvals here, and purchase, I need all my purchase here. Delivery time here. I will paste what I need for the WBS because I have to match the same WBS code here. Now I will just copy concrete work in Superstructure here, masonry work from here, and finishing works from here. So door works like this one will also copy everything which should be our final in front of the activities. This one electrical system, testing, commissioning, and for the WBS, WBS allocation, and this one. So we need here because we have to copy our WBS. Copy this, will paste, and now I will add here my WBS code finally. WBS code, and these are WBS names, and I will apply VLOOKUP, and this one ahead of this one WBS, and it have to be found at the number of 4 and 4, and this one it is not equal to, it should be false, and this one is our code, WBS code. We have copy here like all, and I will just go here all this one. I will just drag this one like. I will just drag like this one. Okay, so this one journal was missing, this one was missing, so I will just go again here, and this time when I will click this one, you can see here my RWBS codes have been appearing. So this WBS codes are very necessary, so it should be there always. And now, okay, this one have been done, so this one I want WBS codes. Okay, in working sheet, so this one WBS code. There will be no work for the WBS name now. Codes, activity IDs, we have activity names, we have activity name, WBS codes, and we have activity ID. This one we don't need right now. And what we have else? We have our estimated duration here. Okay, what about these durations? Like we have this one submission duration, we can write here 14, and this one up to here. This one is approval duration 14. This one is 140 days for the lead time. You can see here lead time, and this one also you can say 20 days, 21 days also for the delivery. And now for the last one, you can see here also you can write here like 10, 12, 13, 14, and 11 and 10 days initial acceptance, and this one for the 3 days also, 3 days for this one also. It's your choice. Okay, so we'll just go here, remove this one blank. So we have estimated duration, activity name, WBS code, activity ID. So what we can add, we can just add here our activities from this one. We'll just go here, schedule this one, like we have a data date of Now first of all we add here activity. We will add just an activity here, and for the group and sort we'll go here, group and sort. First of all we have to show over all the WBS, group and sort by id empty apply. Okay, we have all the WBS which we have imported right here. Now we'll export this one, export my XLS file. Next we'll go for activities next, and here we'll export the, you can say here our activities. So this one we need here activity ID, WBS code, the activity name, and original duration. Next, our original duration is in, you can say here our original duration in should be in days. So already when you are adding something like days, so you have to select here user preferences into days here. Close this one, and now I have just exported the file into TY, or you can say here into TY. I will open this one, and this one we have just exported. I will just go here, and now I will just one thing I have just missed. No finish date have been appeared here. Schedule now. This time it should be scheduled on the 9th of December 2021. Okay, 9th of December 2021. Is it the date? Okay, it's the date. It's the date of that activity. Also we'll delete this one first of all. D for delete. And now on the working sheet we need activity ID, activity name. Okay, first of all we'll copy this one, activity ID. This one was activity ID. Now this one is activity WBS code, and this one is WBS code. And the next, this task may take a lot of time because I am just teaching. When you are doing this one by yourself, it will not take too much time. It will take less time. So also you can is equal to round down to, okay, this one to 0. So we'll just go here, copy, we have a round, we'll copy this one and paste here. So we'll go here in the numbers, and we have numbers, paste, save, and we can convert that one to text. Save this one, and now close this file. Before import, I will go here, import that same file which have been exported. Next now, and in the file which have been pasted in the desktop, TY file, open, next, activities, next, update existing. Now we'll select this project, next, and finish this one. When you finish this one, all the activity will be imported where you want to import. So you can see here complete project have been imported where you want to be imported, all under that recommended WBS. Can you see here all project, complete project. Now what is the next step? We have to just also import their cost, material, and their resources also. The next step I have to also do. And now we'll just go here, minimize this one, and this one is round up, round down. Okay, it's round down. What the next step is, unhide. Do we add here cost resource, cost? I don't think so. I will add here, no issue. We can say here C100 as cost. Okay, so what we required for that one, we have activity IDs here, and we will go here activity IDs. What we have activity IDs, we have a cost here. Where is the cost? This one is the cost. Hide this one. First we'll go here, Primavera P6. Okay, why we are opening again? We have already Primavera P6 open. And now this time I will just go here, export my XLS file into resource assignment. So this step I will import my all type of resource assignment. Like I will import my cost, import my resources, material, non-labor, labor, everything I will import. I need here resource ID, activity ID, and budgeted units, just this one. Okay, next we'll paste here the TY, next finish this one. And I will just go here TY, and this one is my activity resource assignment. This is completely empty. So resource ID, first of all, I will add here my resource cost. So this one is my activity ID. Okay, first I have to just filter out. Let's see, unhide, and this one is activity ID is this one. I will hide this one, and now I will filter out. Okay, first of all, clear all the filters. Now I will filter out all my blanks from here. Blanks, this one. Also, I filter out all the zeros from this one. Blanks. Now this one is our cost. So before doing this one, please cross check your cost. Why this cost is very less? All the zeros. Why? Okay, so this is the cost 566600. So why I cannot remove zeros? 56660. Okay, so this is my cost. Okay, and I will just copy from here my all activity IDs, paste there, or resources. Okay, why this is empty? There is one thing empty. Slab code. I think so. Slab activity also not added. Concrete. If a code is there, so I think so. Activity ID is also not added. Okay, while cross check also this one. Okay, but it's not added. Just do one thing. Add here manually. Slab on grade. Okay, this activity has been added, but code is not added. Okay, so it's like activity added, code is not added. CS copy and paste here 24. Okay, so copy this one now and just go here. Sometimes mistakes can be happened. Resource ID, I will write later. Cost, I will copy cost, will cross check 56660. Okay, here the cost will be appeared here like number 56660, and ID from here will just go here resources, copy C100 and paste here this one, and copy now resource ID, paste this one like here. So resource ID have been pasted now. And what about this one? Cost have been added now. Now what the next step is, I have to add here my material resource. And about a material resource, I will remove this one now and this one now. I need material ID. Unhide. Where is material ID? This one is material ID. Hide this one. Now this time blanks also remove from this one, and material ID from this one. Okay, so this one all our materials. I will copy this materials from ID from here, code, paste here. This one is activity ID, copy this one, paste this one. These are my quantities. I will copy this one quantities, paste there, and I will also add numbers. So before adding this one activity materials, and now I have added also materials. Now the next step is to add here my resources. Now it is in hours. For resources, I will select this one, the similar blanks, remove blanks from here. Also I will remove this one also, blank. Now I will hide this one. Also I will hide all these one. Carpenter, first of all I will add here carpenters, and what about carpenters? There are other options like data query also, Power Query also. You can do that on Power Query also. So if I want to create Power Query for that one, I will just go here, copy paste here, and I will remove this one. That will be also easy, and can create a table, insert table for that one. And to create table, data, and from table range, from that one we can easily just list all my resource IDs. So just select this one all, unpivot columns, and now we'll just remove the zeros from here and just close and load. This one you can see here all my values are in line. Also now is equal to VLOOKUP here. If this one matches, this one is A2, this one is what is this one, A, B, C, D, E, C, D, D, it's D, D2, D2 matches like this one, and now write number 2 false. Okay, so select that one. So we have our, this one is our resource ID. So we'll copy this one resource ID and paste here this one resource ID, and now we'll add here our activity IDs from here, and now we can paste here. So now we can add here our values from here. We can also round up this one, equal to round this one to, this one is A, D, E, 2 to 0. Okay, so we'll copy this one and paste here. So this one we have all our resource, labor, non-labor, material, everything is here. These are numbers. Save this one file, go here, import here this all file, import file, import here XLSX file, next, desktop, TY, and activity resource assignment. This one open, next. I hope there will be no error. If there is error, that will be great mess. You know it very well. No error. It's lucky. Okay, so resource assignment, we'll go here, remove filter if any applied, and apply OK. So we have a resource assignment like all our, if you go with the resource ID or resource name, you can go here, group and sort by resources, and collapse to level 2. We have all our this one cost, and all the resources are listed like labor, non-labor, everything has been listed in the units. budget units. Everything has been written, and this have been applied to all activities. Collapse all. So what have been left? The main thing has been left, the relationship between the activities. So we have to finish that activities on time. Also, where is the milestone? Okay, these milestone are added as a, this is start milestone. This one is a finish milestone. You can add here also column to identify this one. Okay, finish milestone. I will link all my activities to create the schedule. Schedule haven't been done. Only resources have been loaded, and all other work have been done. But our project scheduling have been done. That is CPM scheduling, and that one is basic. And for CPM scheduling, what I will do for start, that is complete demobilization. Okay, so what have been issue? Okay, so you can write here 1 also, not 10. Okay, 0 1. It can be 9 1. Okay, so this one, notice to proceed, then mobilization, link this one. Linking is very important. Demobilization, then you can say here demobilization complete of mobilization, link this one. Mobilization, after mobilization, you can start your structural work here, and after your structural work, you can start your granular, you can just go for blending concrete. And then blending concrete, after blending concrete, you can go for the footing here, and after footing for column neck, and then column neck, you can link this one, column neck, and column neck, you can just link this one as a granular. You can link this one, and then you can link this granular to the backfill also. Link this one. Okay, so I think so that have been done a lot. Then you can done here concrete slab on grade. Then we can do here columns, link this one, column beam and slab. These three will be linked combinedly. People just go for predecessor like that one. I just go for the straightforward like this one. Partition wall can be done after the roof, and this activity can be done, and external wall can be done by after the roof. Parapet wall after the roof can be done, but there is some condition after de-shuttering. For de-shuttering, I will go here, click this one. Relationship, I will add here 15 days of lag for de-shuttering, and for external partition wall also 15 days lag. And now for that one, 3 activities, I will just add here, assign my plaster work after I can start after parapet wall. I can start after parapet wall, plaster work, link this one, plaster work, and I can finish that one plaster work, link this one. That plaster work can be finished to finish after like 7 days of this one. So plaster work can be, duration can be increased like 20 days. What about gypsum tile work? This can be done in the sequence like ahead. Link this one. Now what about the door work? Door work can be start after the paint work. It's your choice. You can finish that work also. And now what about duct work? After duct work, you can perform your PACU installation, sanitary piping, CPVC conduiting, plumbing fixture. This should be started, and which started after the masonry work, parapet wall finish. You can say here this one. You can see here sanitary, CPVC, UPVC, this conducting, this metal conducting. So after that one, so this one can be linked, this one lighting fixture, and link this one. And now after CPVC, you can perform this one plumbing, link this one. So after performing that CPVC work, you can complete your plaster work. Okay, So also you could perform after switching lighting, conduiting work, you can perform your plastering work. And this is what PCU ducting work, ceiling work, it's connected with that one. And you can go here ducting work, and it should be assigned with your ceiling work. Ceiling work can be started about after this one. And when the ducting work can be started, it can be started after you can see here internal wall partition, you can also done that one, or plaster work, you can see also this one, it can be done after this one. What about the ceramic floor tiles? So now just link all the lead items with itself. Okay, for example, there is ceramic floor tiles. So I will just go here, press control, I will just press control, select all my ceramic tiles, and this one, and now I will just select this one, where is ceramic tiles, and then we'll select this one. So we'll link this one all. Okay, so similarly I will do for all my items. Gypsum work also you can do here, like, okay, this one is wrongly linked. This one should be linked with, remove this one. Okay, so remove, no relationship for this one. Gypsum, this one link with this one, and now this one link with this one. Purchase order link with the delivery. So similarly PSEU will link with the second PSEU. Similarly third one will be linked with this one, and this one will be linked with this one. There are many methods to do this one. Control, and link this one. Control, select this one, link, we can link this one. Fixture, control, this one, link this one. So this one, the linking have been done. Okay, so there are some issues, like this one is 14, and this one is 14, and this one is lead time is 120 days or 140 days, 140 days, and this one all are 140 days. You can go here, select this one, control E, fill down. This one is 21 days, select this one, fill down. This one is filled down. And now what is the next one? We have to match that delivery with this one tiles. And now we'll go here the bottom. This one tile has been done, gypsum. And where is gypsum in architectural work? Gypsum. And now PACU installation, it's in mechanical work, and plumbing fixture, and then panel board, switchboard, and this one is lighting fixture. And the last one will go here bottom, where is ceramic tiles in the architectural work. Ceramic tiles we have already fixed for the last activity. Okay, so gypsum board, go for the commissioning for gypsum board here, PACU installation of AC, and the last one with plumbing fixture completion, plumbing fixture, and the next one is panel board. So to create that one path, light fixture. So after doing that all work, we will perform our initial acceptance, and select this one, assign, and initial acceptance can be performed after that one. After initial acceptance, you can perform your final acceptance. So after your final acceptance, you can demobilize your project from here. And this is the demobilization here. And after demobilization, the project will be completed. So what about the milestone? The milestone haven't been leaked. Substructure will be assigned with a predecessor of the substructure have been mentioned, like this one. This one is the major of the substructure work. And what about Superstructure. This is the superstructure, and superstructure will be finished on parapet wall. And what about the architectural work? Architecture will be finished on doors, painting work. And what about the mechanical work? Mechanical will be finished on lighting fixtures. No, it will finish on plumbing fixtures and HVAC PACU. So I think so electrical work we have added wrong. Electrical work will be finished on this one, lighting fixture installation. Okay, this one also wrong. Remove this one, and lighting fixture of this one. And the last one, testing and commissioning, will be finished on this one. What about demobilization? Will be done on the demobilization. There is item of demobilization. Okay, so this is the linking of milestones I have done already. So now what the next step is, we'll remove this one, remaining duration, because remaining duration is not required. We are not updating progress. Do not read planned earned cost percent, budget total cost. We did just maybe need this one. And budget labor units available, no issue. Total float is very important. Total float is 0. Why it's 0? 19th of August project is going to be finished and still total float is 0. It's strange. Project will go here in the project here, and we'll select this project here, and in project dates we'll select here, and this project do not have must finish by Y. Plan start is 9 of December. Go to 21 and December, 9 of December, and this one is our project started. Must finish by is very important. We'll go here in the sheet, this sheet, very working sheet, very important sheet, and go here and important remarks here, remarks. We'll clear all the filter from here, and over 9 of December 2021, and our finish date is 22 of December 2022, 22 of December 2022. So now we'll go here in activities. Now we'll have 189 days of float. Now we can go here. We can see our project, what the issues are. Backfilling take too much time. Increase it. Let's go for 10 days. So when you update 10 days, you may think that if this guy have done already crew, so how it will be done? Because in the status, our duration is fixed and units. So when I will change here my duration, so it will impact on my our budget units per time. You can see here budget units per time will be changed. Like if I change to 12, budget unit time will be changed. So we can just select a crew from here bottom. So Primavera P6 based on CPM scheduling, resource is constrained. We have to choose that resource to complete that project. So we go for 25 days for this activity, and 140 instead of 140 days, we will go for 120 days for that one. Lead time will decrease this one. And now what about the blending? It's a little work. We will take 7 days. You can increase this duration because it's not impacting on that one. Also it can be increase this duration of this one. 10 days. Now we can compare the dates which we have been allocated. Like this one we have been located with 24 of February. So we have also 24. If we say 24 weeks, then what is the answer? If we have 12 weeks, 22 weeks, 21 weeks, and if we say we have 18 weeks, if we have 17 weeks, we have done that one in 17 weeks. And what about our complete structure work? It's 18 of August and we are on 22 of August. So if we want to finish that one, so we can just decrease 2 days in here. Like we can just decrease here 2 days, like 3 days here. Okay, so if we just do that one, so we can finish that one on 16. just go here, increase up to 7 now, not decrease, increase there. Okay, just increase 7. So you can see here it's finishing on 29, just it's crossing the borders, 29 of August. So why this is issue is being, so whenever this issue is appearing, please consider to modify your calendar always. Go into 2021 and you have to see that one your calendar, and is there any public holiday have been assigned with your project. Also, okay, there is a big mess in your schedule. Why this is creating a big mess? Because your hour per day was 22. That was completely big mess which we are dealing with it. Time period, will go here, change time period 8. For a week we have to just change that on 8:48. For a month we'll go for 26 into 8. Calculator for month, 8 into 26208. For the year we'll go for the 12, 2496. Now press OK. Now close. Now schedule. Can you see schedule now? Automatically the durations have been changed now. You can see the duration has been increased up to one time more. So this activity should be finished on 22 of August. So to fix that activities to specific dates, you can go here in the status and you can just go here, finish or before constraint. So I'm not putting that constraint here. I will just go here and type here 18 of August. Okay, so we'll go here 18 of August here, put here, and what the next is 27 of October, and just go here on before 27 of October, 5 days difference. Okay, 3 days and 5 days, we'll go consider this one, fill down, not applying, fill down. Okay, I will match this his date. Okay, just apply this one, not a big deal. 31 of October, 31 of October, finish before 31 of October. The last one is 9 of what about this one, 52, 8 of December, 8 of December, 8 of December. What about complete demobilization in 2 weeks? This one activity should be finished on, this one should be finished on status before on 22 of December. So I have 2 days for this one, 16 for this one, -3 and -5 for this one. So we'll deduct for this one superstructure for -5, then days we have to go behind 5 days, and for 5 days we can just go for this one 15 this one, and 14 this one. Okay, so we'll go for 14.5, 14. Okay, we'll go for the decimal. So because maybe there is something which is in decimal in the calendar, so we'll not focus on that one. I will just go for 14.25. And now what is our float here? It's 0 float, 18, this August it's finishing. We have 2 days on August ahead, means we have to add 2 days in it. So we'll go here in architectural work where we can add 2 days. We can add here 2 days for you can say paint work like 43.25. Like what is the more critical? It's 121.25. Okay, so now our this one work has been finishing on 27. What about the other work? That other work should be also completed with this one, like this one 16 float. Where is 16 float? 5 days for this one. We have to add here 25, 24.25. And what about PACU? Okay, these activities both are finishing on 27 of October. This one is complete of electrical work. Like attach some more relationship here, assign some more relationship here. Okay, add here all electrical systems here. So this one flexible, remove this one remove. So we may get exact float here. Now for the mechanical work, already we have added this one plumbing fixture, CPVC added, PACU added, sanitary pipe, and duct work also we add. 16 days we have more, and 11 days for more we can add here. But we can see here we cannot go ahead. We can leave it here because there was a condition in this one that we have to complete this one all in 46 weeks. So architecture work is finishing in 46 weeks. So there were this condition 46 weeks of this has been finished for these three, because one of should be finished on 27. So this one we have just match 8 of August 22. So now we can remove here our constraint. Now if we remove, the schedule will be remain on the same location. Do you understand? The schedule will be remain on this location. This is not a big deal, you can see here. Okay, so also you can add here like a successor. If you want to add here successor, this one, so it will be remain same 27 of October. So these are both they are both matching. So do not concern about why, because everything cannot be finished at the same time now, because everything is dependent on other one. So we'll go here, none, also none, this one. So this one we haven't matched, this one 30 March, this one I have left for you guys. So this is my complete CPM scheduling for this one 18. Okay, so also we'll change this one. So we just match here all my completions, like this one 18 of August, 17, 27, 8. So all my milestones, this one except this one. So we can also change that one, where that one is 30 of March. Here you can go here for you can say consider it. I considered like 18, like you can say I have considered here 16 weeks, 31 of March. So you can consider as I have considered as I can also increase that one also, because it will take more time. So this is my CPM scheduling. So what my tasks have been left now, my remaining tasks are like which we have done here. Scheduling I have just completed all. So now we'll just create here, assign the baseline created. Okay, so what we can do here, just create a copy of that one which we have created. Now maybe we lost this one, and this one we can go here, press OK. Okay, this one we have completed, and now we can create a baseline. This one as a primary, assign. Before assigning, we can create a baseline, maintain a baseline, add here, save as a copy of this one project, select this one, close, and from here assign baseline. This one contains 3 marks. Why I was laughing in start, this was the reason. So this one primary baseline have been assigned. So you can see this one primary baseline have been assigned now. And now what the other task is, the other task which we have seen here is that to create an early start and planned weekly cost, with both reflected as curve in Excel, graph and data. So we need graph and data for that one, and we'll go here, and for that one we can create it from S curve. For we can filter here the cost here, add here a resource. You can see here resource ID name is equal to. So we'll go here perfectly with the cost. Where is my assignment? You can see here cost assignment. We'll find out from here. Yeah, this was cost. Select this one, apply. Okay, so this one is my whole cost. I need early and late. So we'll right click here, my just early and late units, apply. Okay, so I will just go here for the only top WBS. Also you can go for the each level also. So we'll copy this one. Now this one, select this one, and this one I can copy this one. Copy this one. So I can just go here in the Excel new sheet and paste this one. Now I can make a cumulative for that one, a cumulative early units. So here I have exported all my remaining early units, remaining late units on the basis of monthly. So we'll see that rather we required monthly or weekly. So here you can see generate early and late planned weekly cost with both reflected in S curved, with both reflected in S curve, show in Excel, graph and data. So we have to show data and graph both weekly. It should be weekly. It should not be, you know, it's monthly. So we'll go here in my Primavera P6, we'll go right click time scale, monthly, we'll go here, click here as a month week, apply. Okay, so now we can copy this one, and here we'll add here new sheet, paste this one, and here we have remaining early units, and this one remaining early units also we confirm that we have to import as a cost. So also we can do one thing here, that it's similar if you are applying here as a remaining early units or remaining early cost. It's similar because I have make a filter for that one, but if you insist that one, so if somebody think that it's not the similar, so it's wrong. So I will just go here for the specifically cost. I will not specifically go for that one, and for specifically cost. Okay, select this one, and I will just select all 2022. So this one and this one, select this one, copy, and now we'll paste here in my Excel here. The file is not copied because 2021 of December we have to make a copy. Okay, the cost is not going to be total on this section. Why? We'll go here in group and sort, customize, show grand total, apply. Okay, is it still not showing or not showing? Go here, early units are showing. Okay, there must be some issue which we cannot see. That cost haven't been assigned with unit rate 1. So we'll go here, we'll assign here unit rate 1. And now we'll go here in activities. Can you see cost is 0? And now when we reschedule this one and we'll go here, recalculate assignment cost. Okay, so can you see here 566650? Now it's appearing now. Now we can go here and click on customize and go here for the, you can say here cost. Now this time what I will do, I will add 4 columns, not 2 columns. Why I show you cumulative, and also we'll add here similar from the cost here below. We'll add here early is at this one top, this one third number, apply. Okay, now you can see here. Now you can also get the values from here also. Yes, up to here. So I'll copy and let's make it simple. Copy from this one side and up to this one December. Copy. Now I will go here Excel, paste this one and delete this one both. Here you can see here I have added this one. Also verify your total cumulative cost here. Is it 566500? Okay. So they need in cost, like they need cost. So what I will do, I will just select this one all and just go into data, insert pivot chart from this one, pivot chart. So this is the table, and now I will add here all my, you can see here all my time scales, dates. So this one dates have been added now. Now add here spreadsheet here, spreadsheet field here. Now values here, spreadsheet here. Now what we can do here, just right click here and hide value field button from chart. We can change their chart type to like this one. And now we'll go here chart type to combo, and for the cumulative we have to select for the line and also secondary, and line also for secondary. Now this one is a clustered column, this one is a clustered column. Okay, press OK. So what we can see here 5666. So this is the place where we have a cost. So this one we have, you can see here. And now we can add here like there we need here like if we need here values, we can type here add tables. You can see here labels have been added. If you just go here, and if you want to add here like table, data table can be shown in the below. You can just also, you can see here this is summarize sum of written. You can find out like sum of space and replace with dot, replace all, and the dates will be confirmed, right? This one you can see here dates have been changed from here. This is the weekly curve, so it will be like that one always. I can just stretch it down so it will be clearly seen. Also you can do that one in percentage. I will show you how to you can do in percentage. So this is the curve you can see here. So this is the curve. You can cut and paste to the sheet. This is my weekly curve. Select this one, you can change it to that one, and this is the curve. You can also change it to that one. So this is the way you can perform this one. Also you can change here the type of the curve from here also. You can see here there are a lot of other formattings from this one. So data can be shown bottom and the values can be shown top. Also you can convert that one into percent also is equal to this one value can be divided by this one, and you can just assign a dollar sign ahead and behind, and now you can select this one and like this one. Now for next 1 2 3 4. So you have all these similar below here. So if you go here and if you want to change here, select data. If you want to, you can also create like this one. Okay, so copy this one, paste here. Also you can create pivot chart for this one also. Okay, copy the similar. Okay, there is a big mess. Okay, copy and paste here, and copy, paste here, and when you select this one, first of all insert pivot table from this one, table 1, and now we'll go here and insert here pivot chart from this one, and we'll select here combo. Okay, we'll go here. First of all, we'll add here all my columns first of all. Now we can insert here pivot chart now, combo, and for the cumulative line, and for the remaining we have clustered. Okay, so for the line we need secondary and press OK. Also we need here this to be percent. Okay, this one to be percent and percentage like this one, and we have here this one chart, and we have to hide this value. Select this one, select the chart, where are the issues, like chart type, line with marker, change to line, clustered, select OK. So we have drawn here our completely chart for this one curve, remaining late, remaining early. So we can also change here like remaining early, and here you can change whatever you want to write. Whatever you want to write, you can write here. This one the chart, and also you can change here this one sum as find out sum to dot replace all. So this one we have created. Also you can show here a table under this one, table, data labels. Also you can show anything you want to be there, and also you can just stretch this down out, so you can see here all values which you require here, because this is the weekly base. So weekly base always need stretching like this one. So you can also highlight these values, so any color you can change this one, huh? Any value you can change. Also you can change any value from here. Any value can be changed from here. So this is my weekly early and late. Weekly early and late, both one data and graph have been completed. So 6 tasks have been completed. Now we'll extract our planned monthly manpower, paste into Excel and generate an histogram. So this time we'll go for the you can say here monthly based manpower. So for monthly you have to go here, edit, and from here you have to select here month, and now, and for the duration No, from here you have to select here for the month and this one month, and close this one. Okay, so before doing that one, go into admin preferences, and in admin preferences there is an option. You have to see time periods. Time period should be similar, 8, 48, and what about the monthly? What was there? 8 into 26, 208. And what about because that on basis of that one it calculates your manpower. No, one or not 128 2496 2496. So we'll close this one, admin preferences. So now we'll change that one time scale into year month and apply. Okay, so now we'll go here in the filter, and we need here what type of resources we need. We need planned manpower only. Okay, manpower resource ID name or resource type is equal to labor. So equal to labor, apply. Okay, so what about group and sort by resources? And now we have to go for budgeted units, and here we have to remove here our, like this one are 3.77, 3.9898. so these are our monthly required manpower. So this one you can see here, whole assignment. Also you can see here to verify, cross check, verify, we'll go here in the resource usage profile, and you can select here your current project. You can right click here, sort by, filter by all current project resources, and from current resources you can go here bottom, carpenter, and you can select this one. So this overlocation you can also remove that one. So this one is your resource assignment. So we'll go here, copy this one, all, this is monthly. So we have to confirm something else. We need planned monthly manpower. So this is man months. This is man months. If you require that one man days in a man, in a, you can say here in a month. So these one are the completely man days in complete month. So 98 man days in this month. So if you want like this have don't have concern with that one. Only these values have concern, this one. So if you want man hours per month, so also you can write here. So we'll just remove this one decimal, so there will be no conflict. This one, close this one. So 98 man days per month. So if you want to, you can also change or divide from here also. If you want to divide here, like in 1 month we have like days, these are days, so 26 days work, na? So based on hour per time period. So this is hour per time, like we have 8 hours for 26 days. So we'll divide for, not we will divide for the, it will be not divided by interval divided by 3.25. So there will be another factor, I think so. But we will stick to the, if we change into the month. So here you will get here the month value, like this one, 4, 4, 10, 17, 12. If you go for the, like this one is days, so it will be like, if you want to divide spreadsheet with 26, strictly 26, and apply this one, you will get here same monthly 4, 4, 10, 10. So if you want to do that one, it's your choice. If you want to don't use this one, so it's your choice. Apply. Okay, copy this one, and we need to create an histogram. We'll create same one. Okay, so this one is a histogram manpower. We'll create same with the same method what we have just already created with the same method. So these are the dates, these are months, and 3, 4, 4. Why it's 3, 6, 2, 2, 5, 20. Why it's not just copy this one? Why just copying relationship? Okay, so copy this one. Okay, manpower assignment, go here, group report, show total, apply, okay. So we'll copy this total. Now paste this one total. Why it's still not copying? Select this one, copy budgeted units, paste this one. Okay, copy, paste this one. Assignment have been copied. Now delete that one assignment. We need a total 98 103 103 25 446. We'll just go here, create like insert pivot chart here, select this one, press OK. So we'll do same practice what we have did already, but this time this one is monthly, and check here June, July, August. Okay, so we'll just go here, spreadsheet field, change here, histogram, spreadsheet is, it's here monthly manpower, monthly manpower histogram. You can write here in numbers. Okay, so also you can change here, it's formatting, like this one chart can be changed from here like this one, and now you can also change this one, find out, like place this one, and here you can see now they are in the number. And also you can add remove this one, hide this one, and also you can add here data labels. You can see here monthly, this is a histogram. You can see here also, is there any need of chart or not? Is there extract and paste and generate histogram only to create and generate an histogram? This is histogram, okay, for your monthly based manpower. This is the monthly based manpower you required. On the daily man days required on base of monthly. So what our next step is, extract your weekly planned key quantities, paste in Excel to generate bulk commodity curve. So first of all, we'll go in Primavera P6 in the activities resources. Here unit of measure haven't been added. We'll go here first of all in admin categories, and admin categories unit of measure, and here we'll see our units are added or not. We'll go here, create some units. Here we'll go like where we are working sheet. This is working sheet. First of all, we'll create some unit of measure lot. We'll create here lot. Okay, abbreviation must be unique. A lot have been created already. Okay, so I think so. This one already created or not. Delete this one. Okay, create lot and meter square. M linear meter. Okay, M linear meter. Okay, and the next one is nothing. We'll close this one. Now add here unit measure. Excavation is in meter cube, meter square. Flexible conduits, cross check. Flexible conduits are in linear meter. So that's it. So this one, all my units have been added. I'd click here, column, unit of measure, unit Okay, so this one is unit of measure. You can add here. Okay, now apply OK and right click here, filter for material, add here, do not add here cost, right click here and resources. These are the resources, level 2, we need level 2. This is the cost, remove that cost later, no issue. So we will copy here this Excel, weekly based data and paste here this Excel sheet, and now copy replace here my, you can say here, budgeted units with quantities, and now replace all, apply OK, and now we'll select here my, you can say here, delete this one, assignment and cost, because I do not need cost data here, and I will select here my all recommended, this one, and I will insert a table here, and now insert a pivot from this one, table 1. Sequentially you can add here all the time scale, this one value to sum also. So there will be some like data of all. We required here the data according to activity IDs. Okay, so these will be like the data will be like activity IDs. Okay, wait. Okay, so we have the data like this one. So 100 mm thick, you can see here parapet like this one, and 150 thick partition wall like this one. So we'll also change here like find out and sum of, we'll change here with dot, replace all, close this one. Can you see this one? Okay, this one have been done. And now also we can make a filter for okay, just delete this one, we do not need, hide this one and remove this one field, and we have sum of quantities and quantities here. So we can add here slicer later on. We'll add here this one. Okay, this one is commodity. We can change here chart type and combo, the linear. Okay, there will be blank. What is the blank? Just leave that one blank. And quantities are in clustered column. This one is in this one. We need it in a line. So where is the blank? Okay, there were some blanks, so we'll just quantities with blank. So cumulative quantities, and what is the blank? We'll go here, remove the blank from this filter, and now we'll go here, the blank we cannot remove, the blanks we will also add here, because there may be some values which are not shown here because due to filter. So we'll go here, select the chart type, combo, and cumulative will be in line, secondary, and press OK. The chart will be drawn here like this one, and what we have to do, we'll cut this one and paste into a next sheet here. And now what we'll do, just click this one, and on pivot chart analyzer we will insert a slicer from activity IDs. Press OK. So here you will see a slicer from where you can just select this one, like I will add here 2 columns for that one. So here we have all my selected commodities. Like if you click on 100 mm, so you will receive this one 100 mm. Like this one, if you change this one, anything will do. When you clear this one, you will see this one all the same one. So this is about the commodities, like how your commodities have been added. Add the labels also, you can add here label. The label will be shown like this one here. Still it's changed the chart type. Clustered quantities are in clustered, it is in line, so it's like that one. Now you can see here, when you add here and when you select this one all, so you can see here combinedly all the commodities. Like when you select this one all, so you can select all and you can see all the commodities combinedly. So when you select this one, so you can see only the commodities on this stage. Blending will be shown like this one. Door will be shown like this one. These are doors, these are paint. When you see here ceramic floor, so you can see here this position ceramic floor. Concrete work, so you can see here this one. All concrete work, like this one 3, so you can select this one 3. So this is complete concrete work in cubic meter. So this is what you can understand about these are commodity. This is the commodity for all. So these are, you can say, you can change here the name also from here, and slicer setting you can edit from alt text. What is the next topic, and what the next is remaining? Like we have completed our weekly planned key quantities, paste in Excel, generate bulk commodity curve. So I have created an interactive dashboard for that one. You have seen that one interactive dashboard. There is something we have done here very clearly and very you can say it very smartly. That's very smartly work, and you can see here every levels you can get their commodity from here. Also you can show its level at any stage. So it's from P6. This one is your chart, commodity chart. Commodity chart for all. So you will get this file also. What is the next question? So we have to filter the critical activities based and create in PDF. So there is one thing we have just left, that we have to allow 2 activities only open-ended. We will go here in schedule, and in Primavera P6 we'll see here filter. Is there any filter applied? So we'll see here apply clear filter and all. Okay, so the filter have been cleared. Now we have 566 amount, and now we have to just see here after scheduling. So we have to see here what are our open-ended activities. So we have to schedule and see what are our open-ended activities. We'll go here schedule, and now we'll go here in the view log, and our log have been opened. Now we'll go here out of sequence because activity is not in progress. So what are our activity without predecessor? What are open-ended activities? And these are open-ended activity without successor and without predecessor. We are allowed only 2 activities. So what we'll do, we'll just go here, see what are the activities, and just go here and find out that activities. That notice to proceed, it's allowed. Complete PS ceramic floor. PS ceramic floor. Okay, PS ceramic floor. So we'll do here like notice to proceed relationship, and now we can assign this one as notice to proceed, assign all these activities after the notice to proceed, not after demobilization, mobilization, because some people just get approval on notice to proceed also. They apply for the vendors and they get approval from that one. Okay, so what else we have? Predecessors are done. What about the complete successors? So what about this one? Complete. These are milestones, no? This is our milestones. Complete testing for the. Okay, just run schedule. Now we view the log. How many? One predecessor is missing. No issue. Complete successor. So successors are missing for that activities. Substructure to mechanical. Okay, so do one thing. Apply this one successors. Apply. Link this one. No matters. Okay, so now you can say here total 3. Demobilization do not have successor. Complete demobilization. Okay, so also attach this one, link this one. So we log, before we log schedule, you log. So we have only 2 open-ended, na? So activity don't have any predecessor, successor. So these are 2 open-ended activities. Warning, only 2. So 2 are allowed as per our schedule. So we have to print for critical path here. Right click here, filter. There is critical path here. It's very easy. Click this one, open. So is there critical path? Critical path is not showing. Why it's not showing? I will tell you, no issue. Why it's not showing? What is 0.48? We have to add here 0.48. 12.71, 12.31, 12.25. Okay. So now we'll go here, user preferences and hours, decimal 00. Close this one. Now go here in filter and critical, apply. Okay, you have critical. Right click here and group and sort by. Hide if empty. Press OK. Now go here, print preview, and we have this print preview all my critical activities on this project. Procurement submission. So these activities are illogical to have critical. What we can do here, we'll go here and we'll make some more critical activities and go here filter to make critical activities. Also see how to make them critical activities, and you can see here these are 26 float, 26, 56, 00. Mobilization at 26 days more. 26 days. How many days will be? 19, 20, and 26 days it will be 44 days. 45 days. Okay, so it will be now critical. We'll go here, assign, maintain. Remove this one baseline. You can understand now when you remove this one, this issue will be resolved. Now you can see here. Okay, so the issue has been resolved now. Go here. Also you can see here after doing that one, the dates will be changed now. Also if you still assign that constraint which I have assigned already, so it will show you that these activities are on critical. So this is another method. You can just go here, like you go here and assign similar constraint for that one. If I say that finish on or before 18, and if I say that finish on or before that one for, so they will be lock here. Finish on or before 26. If it will be also on critical, because this activity should be on critical, but it's not showing critical on before. So now we'll go here, because dates were changing. That's why I just go back, because the dates which we are freezing are changed now. So now we'll select a critical. Okay, so we have a critical path which is very proper. And now we'll go here, print preview. You can see here that critical path is more way proper. So this is one the planning bases are. Which one you can say here, this is the basic one. You need to know that what is your critical path. And if your critical path is not right, what are you doing for the planning? Why are you using P6 for just cost control? It's not like that one. So we'll go here for a good formatting. We can go here and the columns, and for edit the column, everything should be in the center. Edit column, everything should be in center. And total float, it should be edit in the center. Total cost, we remove this one. Total float, we need this one. Edit, everything should be in center. And this one, edit, should be in center. And apply, okay. Now print preview here. And now we'll go here. Size, we just close out the size which are unnecessary. Total float, this one we need also this column to be in center. Edit, center, apply, okay. And also size of this column also, maintain this one, maintain this one, maintain this one. Print preview. Now the print preview will be perfect now. And what you have to perform here, PS your project start, PS this is project finish. Apply, okay. So now pages fit to the time scale. Apply, okay. Now we'll decrease from here 79. Yes, we can decrease from here the size of the schedule, so you can see here your schedule clearly from here. You can see here this one, the dates can be clearly seen from here. And before printing that one, you remove this one relationship, print preview, also this one, and also you can add here your curve below. Print preview, it's not shown. Go here and you can select here profile below that one, and profile will be also shown. So you want to show that on the cost one, activity profile, budget cumulative, actual, early and remaining, you can also see that one. So we'll go here, profile, cost, total, okay, file, print preview. So you have completely critical path for that section and their user profile also. Print that one, and desktop, this one is your critical path with its user profile, critical path. And this one have been finished now. You can see here the dates are given, everything has been given. This is a critical path. And now what the questions are remaining. We have done everything we have completed from this task. The first task completed, second completed, third, fourth, fifth, sixth, seventh, eighth, ninth. Now we have 3 questions that have an aggregate of 15%. We'll also answer that questions that are not tricky questions. I will say that adding these questions are not meaningful, because if you are hiring someone who is a planner, so these questions are for interview, not for, you can say, as a paper. Because if you want to check an efficiency of a planner, so you can ask him to perform the task, not to ask the theoretical question which are asked in the exams like that one. So I will answer all the questions. Define the meaning of critical path in a schedule. What is common characteristics of the activities? So I will paste an answer in a Word file with that one supporting file, which will be also paid, and you will get that Word file. The critical path is a sequence of stages determining the minimum time needed for an operation. It is the longest path in schedule with the least amount of lag. If there is a zero lag, so what is the least amount of lag on that critical path? This means any delay in activities on the critical path will directly impact the project's completion date. The common characteristics of the activities on the critical path is that they do not have any float or lag. If any of these activities gets delayed, it will result in a delay of the entire project. So this is what is the critical path. So if any activity is delayed on this critical path, like this one critical path, any activity will be delayed, so the project will be delayed. So any activity having a zero float, so it's also called a critical path. So there may be one or more at 10 paths. So what are common characteristics of that one? So in mostly procurement engineering are critical paths, and then construction phases which are dependent on that one are critical. So in this one case, procurement, after procuring these items, so maybe plumbing is more critical than other. So also you can maintain other by maintaining their zero float. So you can also select that one. So while monitoring a project, if you have a zero float and maximum activities which are more critical, so it will create some a meaningful critical path. If some activities are open-ended and their float are maximum, so until they delay, you will not get out. So the time will be just pass and you cannot recover that one. So it's like that one. So critical path should be accurate and more meaningful to the project, and it should be decided at the baseline stage. And what about the second question? The second question, how would you monitor or track your project progress? How do you gather your data to determine percent complete? So what about how to monitor that one? So the question is that one. So like this one is a project which I have to be monitor that one project. How will I monitor that one? So I will just create a PMS for that one. PMS means I will make a progress measurement sheet. Like procurement, I will just track this one ledger for submission, approval, purchase order, lead time. So we'll add the column of submission, approval, purchase order, lead time, and delivery. So I will add all the columns. I will add here the percentages for that one, and I will monitor that one. Say when ceramic tile submission have been done, approval has been done, is the purchase order have been delivered or not one. So I will monitor the procurement for that one. So I can update the progress, like we can update duration base for the procurement also. So if the process have been done, we can update the duration percent complete also. It's very meaningful for that one all. So this one can be divided into weightages, and the Excel sheet can be maintained. So we can just get the data of the status from our procurement department and our the site team, which are just getting the delivery at for the inventory and inventory for that one. Also the installation also. So also the testing and commissioning, we can get that one. So the complete sheet will be prepared for each weightages, like 0%, like 25%, 5% for the lead time, and 25% for delivery, and 50% for installation, 20% for testing commission. So what about the construction item? So we can get their update, like construction item structure excavation can be you can add here the quantities of construction item. Like this structural excavation is 30 cubic meter, so we can make a PMS for that one. So that one we have a 300 cubic meter excavation. So whenever if somebody perform 10%, so we can also update here 10%, like unit here, unit percent you can put here, like their unit percent for that one, and you can update 10% here. So you can also monitor on the basis of resources. If your resources are very confined and you know that what are their productivity, and also updating, after updating this unit percent, you have to update their remaining duration also. So if you don't have any confirmed quantity, so if somebody is reporting like in duration percent and physical percent, you can change that one into physical percent. And if somebody is saying that I cannot measure daily, and you will get something percent in value and percent, you can add their like activity steps here for like excavation. There are 4 steps, so you can add here steps, and you can add here the weightages. So you can measure by both physical duration, and also you can measure by units for construction. So some activities can be measurable, some cannot be measurable. So it depended upon what type of activity you are updating and how your data is receiving to you. So you will create a PMS, and you will give that one to site manager, site team, and the site team will just update you according to that one how much they know about the work. And this one is the second question to answer. Other than historical facts, how to whom is the best source of data regarding duration and resource requirements? So what I have done in my project, this one, I have just taken the duration from my crews, and but after later on, so I have just managed that one, so I can also recheck that one. So if, for example, I have taken 7 days for the structural excavation, so in my this one sheet which I have been prepared, how many days I have taken for that one, duration, estimated duration. So I can just cross check this one, so from my productivity, and how many maximum peak, because Primavera P6 is resource constraint, so we cannot get. So here I have 18 excavation, 18 number of 18 number of days I have calculated. So if I just change out, like you can say here, like this one, this is a peak availability, hide this one, and now we'll go here, this one, just hide this one, and now I will just go here in the bottom. So if I want to, if there are like 18 days required, I can increase to 3 or 4 peak man days, and up to like 4.5, so or like 5. So if I go for 5 peak labor, so I can achieve that work in 7 days. So it's like that one. So it's based on calculation how many crews you have available. It's about the expert judgment. It's about expert judgment when you have an experience on the site. Also, historical data is not important. You can get that one from site team also, and by also if you haven't any historical data and you are preparing, so you can get that one from productivity also. For example, there is a granular fill, and we will check from here what is the granular fill here, 13 days, and how many crews. So it's 14 days already, so 3 maximum labors are required. So we have already available productivity rates here. So this is my today's content about the video is very lengthy and very long, but do not skip any of the section. It will be very difficult to you what I have explained. This is the maximum concept I have explained in this video. And thanks for watching SoftEdemy. To support our team and to support our SoftEdemy setup, you can just go on our site and our store. You can buy something and to support our team. And also, we are not forcing anybody to because the products are and the tools are very useful. So everybody is just using, and you can contact us through if you are facing an issue to our WhatsApp number that have been given in the description of this video. Also, this product and this completely supporting documents have been attached in the description of this video. That will be also paid, and the tool Excel Lite will be also paid, and it will be in a separate. And also you can email to us if you have any assignment to be performed on our YouTube channel. So we'll just publish that one to everybody, so everybody will be get benefit. So if you want to be done any personal assignment and if there is something, so you can also go to our website, and there is a get quote option. You can go and get a quote from us, and also you can email to us at the info@softedemy.com. We'll meet in the next video. Thanks for watching SoftEdemy. We are just coming up with the new content and will be very informative for all planners. Thanks for watching SoftEdemy. We'll meet in the next video. Thanks.